Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. This instructional video will provide you with some guidelines on how to successfully replace a front air strut for a Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged L322 without VDS with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start with the basics by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. To access the strut, remove the applicable front wheel. Now remove the brake hose and ABS sensor wire from the retention bracket on the strut. Afterwards, make sure to also remove the sensor from the small plastic clip at the bottom of the shock. Disconnect the sway bar link by removing the nut holding the ball joint to the strut. You may need to hold the ball joint from spinning by placing a wrench on the two flats of the ball joint on the back side of the bracket. Then open the hood and remove the 3 upper mount nuts. Continue by removing the 2 large bolts that hold the strut to the spindle assembly. With the nuts and bolts removed from the spindle assembly, pull the spindle outwards while pushing the strut. Now that you can free the air strut, you have access to its hose connection. Slowly remove the fitting to deflate and free the assembly. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the new air strut in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut of a Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.